Going to the next one. This is 7-day Ayush, Ayurveda Yoga, Unani, Siddha, Homeopathy training for MBBS medicos. MBBS is the allopathy or Western doctor degree in India. It is proposed by the government, so they will undergo a 7-day Ayurveda and yoga and other medicine training. And I remember one thing. There's an interesting, funny story regarding this. When I was studying the third year BAMS, of course, you were the principal there, and you allocated us to go to different modern clinics for clinicals. It was very good experience for us because in third year itself we were in a surgical nursing home and we were seeing a lot of surgeries and all. Retired government doctor surgeon who was having prior practice. In his second or third class, he was explaining us about the Murphy's triad for appendicitis. So explained that in this particular point in the lower right abdominal region, in the right lower quadrant, there will be pain. If you touch it, it will be pain. Then there will be nausea, there will be vomiting and fever. If all these things are there, then it's called as Murphy triad. And he was like looking at the patient, and he then turned to us and he said, "All these, I'm telling you, because when you Ayurveda practitioner, when you open your own clinics and Murphy's triad you diagnose and you feel it as appendicitis, I want you to not apply any oil on the abdomen or do any oil abhyanga or anything, and safely send the clients to the surgeons so that they can treat it." I was smiling. Suddenly, I became like, what Ayurveda people know, what we can do, or what is at least basics of Ayurveda, or how we approach disease. This knowledge is totally absent in their minds, and they do not bother to learn about what we do. And there's no, there is no point of similarity between us and them. We are so disconnected. At least, with 7 days, not much can be learned, but at least it's a step in the right direction. That they are also getting Ayurveda knowledge, at least in a capsulated form.
Definitely, because see, if you observe the syllabus of Ayurveda, the course, what is there in India now, right now, almost 40 to 50% of the places, portion is with the modern medicine related topics or modern topics of the Western medicine, whatever it is. It may be even pharmacology, it may be even pathology, it may be medicine, even community medicine, everything. They have been all incorporated. So, Ayurvedic student is not only studying and learning the Ayurvedic principles, but he is also aware of the Western science and medical science, and their basic knowledge, at least to well-to-do basic knowledge, will be gaining by the time he completes his degree. Whereas, which is very quite absent in the counterpart. The Western or the MBBS degree or those who are allopathic doctors, they'll feel that they are superior, and they are some masters in science, and they will only hold the baton, and they will be the leaders, and everybody should follow them, and something like that. They have some superiority complex. So, but once, and because of that, there will be always a tussle between Ayurvedic doctors and the modern doctors or the practice area, and all these things will be there. It is better if they came to know at least some basic input about these sciences and what the basic fundamental principles it operates, and how the drugs of these system works, and what are the disease areas they have a better chances of handling them, and how the chronic diseases and acute conditions they can handle it, and what is the nanomedicines of Ayurveda. And if they come to know about all these things, slowly they will their approach towards these sciences will change. So that is in a right way they are going for the integration. Ultimately, it is for the benefit of the patient. Patient has to get the right kind of treatment. When there is an emergency or acuteness of the disease, something, life has to be sustained. Jiva Raksha has to be done. That should be done by the whatever the method approach is to be done. That once it is sustained, then for a longer duration, when you go for a treatment, certain diseases which requires a longer duration of therapy, that is always better to opt for an herbal oriented drugs and these things which will be beneficial to the patient in a long run. So if they come to know about these type of things, the allopathy doctors also, their mindset or even understanding or looking at the Ayurveda may change in future. They are going in the right direction. Probably it may end up in somewhere down the line in few years from now, some sort of integration that all the things can be clubbed together. Now they are planning for, now we have got a multi setup in a corporate hospital that under one roof, every system is available. Similarly, something like that, even a course will also have every good thing compiled together and can be offered.
Yeah, I mean, Ayurveda and Medanta, they have collaborated and they have center in Delhi, very multi-speciality center, big hospital. Rajiv Vasudevan is the Ayurveda owner. I mean, they and Medanta group of hospitals. So they have collaborated and they do the integrated things there, and it's becoming very famous. And very famously, I still remember in 2001 when you start practicing, in about a year or so, you started getting referrals from even modern pediatrician. You're telling a lot of narrations of clients. You are getting a modern referral from allergic rhinitis and respiratory conditions, and even for liver diseases also.
Yeah, that's quite. See, when so one or the other patient comes to us and we treat them, in by chance for any other condition, if they approach for the other doctor, then they will explain the previous history of illness, what and all happened. So then they will tell many times, this is what happened, sir. Last time we have gone to this doctor and he has treated with this, and we are very happy, and now we don't have that problem. Definitely, such type of comment in a public, very good for any Ayurvedic doctor. So such always brings a new client to us. Definitely, then of course many, and sometimes we'll usually make some CME type of programs where we call the doctors of other system also. We try to engage them and we speak about our system and our ability and our areas or scope of the medicine and the procedures, what we do it, or panchakarma, whatever it is, then how could we able to be present ourselves. So all these will definitely has some big pivotal points, and definitely that will bring in some good clientele. So this is what happened when we started giving result oriented treatments. Automatically patient follow up will be enhanced.